Hujambo, habari yako? Mimi ninaitwa Penina. Karibu katika idhaa yangu tuweze kujifunza Kiswahili. How are you? My name is Penina. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn Kiswahili. So today we are going to learn about pronouncing words in Kiswahili. And as you know, for anyone to learn a language, you must understand the sounds that are found in that language. So, Kiswahili has got its sounds that maybe some are same to English, but others are different from English. But basically, you need to understand how to pronounce Kiswahili sounds. Thereafter, understand how to pronounce the syllables, and eventually you can combine the syllables to make words and eventually understand Kiswahili. So in today's episode, we are starting with the sounds in Kiswahili. Kwa Kiswahili tunasema sauti za Kiswahili. So pronunciation begins with sounds. So Kiswahili has 30 sounds in total, as shown here. These are the Kiswahili sounds, and they are 30 in total. So I'm going to pronounce them the way they're supposed to be pronounced in Kiswahili, so that your pronunciation can be made better if you are a beginner in Kiswahili. So here we have sound A. 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 This one B. B. Ch. Ch. D. D. The. The. E. E. F. F. G. G. Ga. Ga. Ha. Ha. I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. Ng. Ng. N. N. O. O. P. P. R. R. S. S. Sh. Sh. T. 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 U. U. V. V. W. W. Y. Y. Z. Z. So that is how you pronounce the sounds in Kiswahili. And as I said, they are 30. So maybe I can go through them all over again. So we have A, B, Ch, D, D, E, F, G, R, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ng, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. So that is how you pronounce them in Kiswahili. So there is a difference between the and th. so be careful when pronouncing them. Then this one here is ng. It has an apostrophe, ng. Okay, now so the Kiswahili sounds have been categorized into two, and that is, we have what we call irabu or vowels, and we have consonanti or consonants in English. So the irabu or the vowels in Kiswahili are a, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. So these 5 vowels have been picked from the sounds that we have in Kiswahili. So we have it a, e, I, o, u. So those are the vowels. There are 5 in number. Then for the consonants, in Kiswahili I said they are called consonanti. Consonanti. The Kiswahili, in English we call them consonants. So the remaining, after removing a, e, I, o, u, the remaining are Kiswahili consonants. So that is b, ch, d, th, f, g, ga, ha, j, j. Then we have k, l, m, n, ng, n, p, r, s, sh, t, th, v, w, y, z. So those are 25 in total, and the vowels are 5. So that makes the sounds in Kiswahili 30. So in English we know of these, the C, but in Kiswahili you cannot pronounce C, so you must add the H to make it ch. Now you realize that in Kiswahili we do not have sound Q and X. Q and X are not found in Kiswahili. Those two are not found in Kiswahili. So you can practice pronouncing these sounds. Then in our next episode, we'll construct or make the syllables out of them, so that you can understand the basic of Kiswahili. Where do the words begin from? The words in Kiswahili begin from these sounds. Then we advance to the syllables, then to the words, and eventually you can be able to make or construct sentences. So stay tuned in my next episode, but also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Kwaheri. Bye bye.